Radhe Radhe Bhaiyo, today I am going to solve a new question of Leetcode, sum root to leaf numbers, Leetcode 1 to 9. You are given the root of a binary tree containing digits 0 to 9 only, means node can only contain 0 to 9, not greater than these range values. Each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number, okay? For example, the root to leaf path is 1, 2, 3, then the number will be 1 to 3. So return the total sum of all root to leaf numbers. Test cases are generated so that the number will fit in a 32-bit integer. So what is the saying? The key points to remember here: root to leaf number. He is saying. Okay, let's go down. Root to leaf numbers. Okay. So it is a tree, right? So what is saying? From root to leaf numbers. So only you have to sum all those paths who goes to root to leaf, not in between. And what is leaf? Leaf nodes are those nodes who don't have any children, means no children are there, either left, neither left, neither right. So 2 is a leaf node. Yeah, it is a leaf node because there is wait, let me change the color. Where 2 is a leaf node because there is no left child, no right child, so it is a leaf node. So you need to find the all paths from root to leaf, and then you have to calculate the sum of all the numbers which you will be generate after going to root to leaf numbers. So the first path will be what? 1 to 2, and second part will be what? 1 to 3, because from 1 we go to the right and 3 there are no children, so it will be a path. So what will be the number? For 1 to path it is 1 2, for 1 3 it will be 1 3. Now we have to return 25, the sum of all those numbers. Again I will take a different test case. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Let's see. 1 2 4, it is a path, valid path. Yeah, it is a valid path. Why I am saying? Because 4 there are no left children, no right children, so it will be the leaf node. So what will the path from root node? 1 2 4, it is a path. And now the second part will be 1 2 5, third path will be 1 3 6. So what number you can generate from this? 1 2 4, 1 2 5, 1 3 6, and you have to return the sum of all these three. That's the question wants to say. Now I first 2 or 3 things you first have to learn before going to the question. First, identify root node, leaf node. Second, how to traverse and which traversal technique I will use in this. First, traversal technique. Yeah. So as I am going to the depth, so there are 2 traversal technique in the tree. Either it will be a DFS or it will be a BFS. We use BFS when we have to search breadth first, means we have to go level wise, 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, then we will use BFS. And when we use DFS, when you have to go till depth, then you have to do some operations. So as you can see, I'm going to the depth, so I will be using depth for search. Okay, so let me make the tree again. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so as 1 to 4 was a path, 1 to 5 was a path, and 1 3 was a path. So how can I make a number from this? Because I know how to take all those number from the loop, but I have to make a number from those paths. So first I will genuinely like first number was 0, and I want to make this a number as a 34 for now. So how can I generate this? So number was 0, so into 10 plus the first number which I got, so 3. So what it first number was 0, so 0 into 10 plus 3, what it will be? It will be 3. Number is now 3. Now the next time I want to add 4, so number was 4, number into 10 plus 4. So what was the number? 3 into 10 plus 4. So what it will be? It will be 34. Means you have to, every time you have to make a number by into 10 plus the current number. Okay, so this is the formula to generate a number from 0 to the root path. See, first 1 2 4 was there na, so first number was what? 0. So 0 into 10 plus, what is the root value? 1. So it will be 1 overall. Now when I go to here, the number was what? 1 already. So 1 into 10 plus root value is what? 2. So it will be 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 means 12. Okay, now I come to 4. So number was 12 already. So 12 into 10 plus 4. So 120 plus 4, that is 124. So as you can see, I'm able to make a number from this path 1 to 4. So I'm able to make a number 1 to 4. So I hope you got how to make a number from paths. Okay, so 2 or 3 things were important to know. First, leaf node, what is leaf node, and second, traversal technique, and third, how to make number from root. Then simply whenever I got a leaf node, I will keep adding those numbers. Okay, so have a look. First, the sum was what? 0. 4. Sum was 0. So first, let me make a new tree. So first number was also 0. So first num into blue. Okay, so first pointer was here only. So num into 0 plus root value is what? 1. So it will be 1 overall. Now I'm going to the left. Number is sum is nothing, 0. So I am at leaf node. So it will be, number is what? 1 already. So 1 into 1 into 10 plus root value is what? 2. So it will be 12. Okay, now I have to like maintain all the sums so that I can add at the end time. The first 2 or 3 things you can do to maintain. Whenever you reach to the leaf node, just store in the array. So first I will store 12. Okay, now when I go to 1 to 3, I will again store into the array. So and at the end I will add all the array numbers. So first thing you can do, and second thing what you can do, whenever you reach to the leaf node, just add that time only. Sum was 0. So when I reach to the 12, so I will add 12. Okay, now as like in tree, what tree does by its on, see, it come to 4, I added 1 to 4 into the sum. Now it will again backtrack to its position from where it came. So number will be automatically made as 1 2. Now when it will go to right, it will make a number 1 to 5. And as you can see, it is a leaf node, so it will automatically add 1 to 5 in the sum. So I will write to the, first I will write the code, then I will do dry run of that code. So first I will be using DFS. Root was there, and sum was what? First sum was nothing, and number was also 0 at a starting point. So when I have to add to the sum, whenever I reach to the leaf node, I will simply add to the sum value after making that all the path number. So whenever leaf node is what, it left should also be null and right should also be null. Okay, so whenever you get these conditions, what you have to simply make that number, means num into 10 plus root value. You can create this number and you can store the no, you do not have to store in anywhere, and you will simply add to the sum. Okay, otherwise what you have to do, you have to keep making that number num into 10 plus root value. As I told you how to make a number. First number was 0. So first it will come to a node having like see 1 2. So it will come to the root number. So num was 0. So 0 into 10 plus root value is what? 1. So it will add 1. So 0 plus 1 1. Now when it goes to 1, it is going through a number 1. So 1 into 10 plus the root value is what? 2. Then it will add 12. Now whenever it will reach to the leaf node, it will add you to the sum variable. So now you will call left side, you are going root left with a new number which I make here only. Okay, and now the sum is already I passed in the parameter. Now we'll go to the right, num and sum. So this is the code. Now I will try run the code. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yeah. So first number was what? 0. Sum was 0, and I am at root, so I am adding to the. So I will first check the condition whether it is a leaf node. No, this is not a leaf node. Okay, so I will simply add to the num. So I will create a number num into 10 plus root value. Root value is what 1. So it will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now I will call again left. It will go to the left with new num. Num is what? New num is 1. So as you can see, it is a leaf node. No, it is not a leaf node. So it will be 1 into 10 plus root value is what? 12, 2, sorry. So the new number will be 12. Now I am calling left. Again it goes to the left with 12 value. So 12 into 10 plus root value is what? 4, 124. But as you can see, this is a leaf number, so I will add into the sum. The sum will be 1 2 4. Now as a root tree recursion properties, it will backtrack to the position where it came from. So it will back to the 2. So at 2 what was the number? 12. And at here it was number was 12. Now it will call to the right. So 12 into 10 plus root value is what? 5. So it will be 1 2 5. Now as it is a leaf node, so it will add to the sum. So sum will be 1 2 4 plus 1 2 5. Now it will track to the already back to the parent position. Again it will go to the this. Now it will go to the right. So first number was what? 1. At here the number was 1. Now it goes to the left. So 1 into 10 plus 3. So number is 3. Okay. Now it again goes to the right. So 1 3 into 6 means 1 into 10 plus 6. So number is 136. And it is also a leaf node. So it will add to the sum. So the overall sum is what? 136 plus 1 to 4. And at the end, from main, I am calling that function DFS. With starting root was there, number was nothing, and sum was also 0. And at the end, I will return simply the sum. I hope you got the intuition why I use DFS and how to convert a node to a number and how to make a number. And the main thing was to notice that you have to take only those part who goes from parent node to leaf node. You do not have to include those, you do not have to take those paths who are not ending as a leaf node. So that was my intuition to make that question. I hope you understand the question. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe. Jai Shri Ram.